We've been getting a lot of great feedback lately about the look of our ADUs and our houses. We offer interiors to our clients, but we've started to hear messaging from people that while they are inspired by what they're seeing and they like how the palettes are coming together, we're really excited to be offering the Inspired ADU Studio on Etsy. What we're trying to do is take some of our designs and looks and put them into mood boards. And our goal is that when we have a really popular ADU finish, we'll go ahead and put that into a mood board. Now, these are tools we offer to our clients, but we want to be able to offer them for people who don't necessarily need an architect. Here's a few of the previews. The mood boards get into really detailed spec lists. They get into all the accessories of the interior and furniture suggestions with links to all of the items that you need to shop for, both for the built-ins and the finishes and accessories. You can also check it out more at our Pinterest board. We've got shop mood boards by Inspired ADUs on the Pinterest boards. Thanks so much.